Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It is so good to be again with you all. It's a good weather here again. So, how are things going up? I hope everybody is doing fine and nothing to worry about. We need to just take precautions for coronavirus. So, it's getting harder day by day, but we have to, this will be a new normal and we'll have to get used to it and wear our masks, sanitize our hands. I think that would be the best thing we can do. Today friends, I'm doing a tutorial how to make tomato rice. You only need onions, tomatoes, cilantro to season it and just mix it. So here we go. So this is my tutorial for tomato rice. Hello friends, I took some oil, I added some mustard seeds, they look like this, and then I add some curry leaves. Here are the curry leaves. Just saute some onions, chili for flavor. I have added 4 over here. Take some cut tomatoes. I took around 2. Then you add some spices. I'll tell you right now. So you take salt. Like 2 spoons because we'll be adding the white rice. And you take a little black pepper, which is very good for digestion. You take a little turmeric. You add it. Now I take red paprika powder, which will give the color to it, and depends on how much you want to add. I've added quite a bit. You can add some cumin seeds also, which will give flavor, and keep sauteing and try to make it soft. And then you can add some cilantro to give extra flavor. Here is my chopped cilantro, which I always keep it in the freezer. Just saute, let it saute for some time, like 5 minutes. I had rice made in the rice cooker yesterday. So whenever you don't have any options, like you cannot cook anything like lentils or anything, just add this white rice with this chopped onions and tomatoes and you'll have a new dish which you will love it. You can put this on tortillas, on wraps. You can add some guacamole, add some of your, here is it. So you just take it, then with the spoon, just stir it friends. Here it is, it looks so yummy, so good. It's appetizing. You love the flavor of it. You can have with yogurt too. You can do some salad with it. And it's so yum. Everybody will love this. You can add it in tortillas as I've already mentioned before. So this is a very simple when you don't have anything at home and you have very little because of the lockdown or because of not going out and getting your shopping done. So this is the easy option friends. I hope you enjoy this making, how much I enjoyed making it, and you'll love it because it'll taste so good and it gives that Indian flavor, Indian goodness of it. It has turmeric, which is very good as you all know. So try it, make it. Friends, I hope you like the tutorial of making tomato rice when there's nothing at home. This is a quick fix. You can eat this with tortillas and tacos. Just name it and you'll love it. So this is a good instant 5 minutes recipe. I like to do instant and which doesn't take much time. So hopefully friends, you have made it. You must have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below that how the rice came out. So if you have liked this channel and liked the topic on which I spoke today, please like, share and subscribe, and please let me know your comments. Have a good day guys. I'll end the video here. Bye bye. Love you.